Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're walking to a car show. So today we're out in Virginia Beach and we're going to Fairway Rides and Drives. It's like a local golf tournament for charity plus car show, and I think there's a little bit of everything here. Some exotics. I think we've got some like JDM type cars, some classics. This is their first year going on in the Hampton area. So figured I'd check it out. It's for a good cause. It looked pretty cool. It's something different, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. hope you guys enjoyed that video. Weather wasn't too bad, a little chilly out. Perfect hoodie weather, but there were some really cool cars. I like the whole layout of the show because it's on a golf course. It was definitely more upscale. They had like some nice tables, some slow, classy type music playing. They had some food trucks. Definitely the crowd was not your typical like car show crowd. It was definitely more upper class. But they had a mix of like everything there. You guys saw the exotics and stuff that were there. There was a lot of like old foreign cars there. You had some of the newer like JDM type cars that you see at like your regular car meets and stuff. A little bit of everything. No trucks, obviously. It wasn't that type of show, but I enjoyed it. I had a good time. Their first year, obviously my first time going and stuff. I would love to put a vehicle in this show one day when I go the supercar route or something like that. I think it's cool, and I like to get out and try different car shows. Like I always tell you guys on like Facebook and Instagram, try different stuff. Don't always stick to the same shows. Don't always stick to the same like demographic of shows. Like you can see some really cool stuff if you just get out there and you try different shows, and you may find that you like different things. So I had a really good time. Shout out to Fairway for that event. I think you guys put on an awesome event. Really cool. I'll definitely come back next year. I'll see you guys in the next video.